In this lesson, I will explain to you about footnote and endnotes reference mark. First of all, we will discuss the footnote and then we will move on to endnotes. A footnote is a note at the bottom of the page. See, focus is on the bottom of the page in a book which provides more detailed information about something that is stated on that page. An explanatory or supporting note or comment at the bottom of the page. So footnote, suppose this is your document consists of one page or few pages and there are few difficult words or phrases or idioms in the page and you want to write down some more explanation about that word or idiom or phrases. If you want to write the meanings or more explanation at the bottom of the page, it is called the footnote. And if you want to write down the explanation or comment at the end of the book or at the end of the document, suppose your document consists of 5 or 6 pages or maybe 10 or 20 pages and you want to write down the meaning of all the difficult words, comment on all the difficult words at the end of the document, that is called the end notes. So here I will show you how to insert footnote which is at the bottom of the page as well as end notes at the end of the page. So first of all, suppose this is the same paragraph, the same definition. I have copied it here in order to make this document. So here I want to write down, suppose, more explanation or the meaning of the footnote. So first of all, I have to bring my insertion point at the end of the letter E. If I want to insert the footnote, I have to bring here. I cannot bring my insertion point here, 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 wherever you want to insert here, and then go to the references tab. From references tab, this is the footnotes group. In footnotes group, you have to click the insert footnote. See, on the bottom you can see there is number 1. So here you can write down explanation or comment or whatever you want to write down about footnote. So I will just write down explanation at the bottom of the page. This is, again I'm explaining, this is just the supposition. You can have any phrase, any idiom, you have to perform the same function. I can make it bold so you can see it easily here. One more time, here suppose when you will read it, you will say, okay, explanatory, this is the difficult word, I want to write down some more explanation or comment about it. So bring your insertion pointer here at the end of the letter Y and then go to the references and insert footnote. Here explanatory, so the meaning is clarifying information. Again, I will make it bold. Okay. So when your reader will read the document and he or she reads a footnote, so the number 1 is there. It means explanation is at the bottom because this is the footnote and this is called the reference mark. 1 is the reference mark, 2 is the note reference mark, this one. And when you will bring your pointer here on the note reference mark in the document, you will see the explanation will come up here. See, explanation at the bottom of the page. Similarly, this is called the reference mark. 2 is the reference mark. If I bring my pointer here, the explanation is also showing at the top, clarifying information, like this. If suppose you want to move, suppose you said, oh, footnote, I should remove this explanation from here and I have to set this information here. So what you have to do, just select this number 1. This is called the note reference mark. In the home tab, copy, cut. When we will cut, you can see what will happen here. If I cut here, then this clarifying information will be number 1 and then it is gone from here. But as soon I will paste it here because I need it here, again it is number 2 will come up here and this is clarifying information and this is the second thing. Now suppose this is 1 2 3 4 and 5. If you do not want 1 2 3, you want A B C, you want in Roman these numbering, so go to the references and then the footnotes group, open this footnote launcher button and in number Format here, open this arrow, whatever you want, small ABC, Roman 1, 2, 3. I say okay, 1 ABC, and then apply. So see, instead of 1, 2, 3 in Roman, ABC is there. So this is the footnote. Footnote means a note at the bottom of the page. If you want to write down some more comment, if you want to write down some more explanation at the bottom of the page, this is called the footnote. And this AB, instead of 1, 2, 3, it is now ABC. These are called the note reference mark. And whenever you will bring your pointer here, you will see the information at the top of this reference mark as well. Now suppose if you want to write down this explanation at the end of the document, which is called the end notes. So the same document I have made one more time, but I will show you here how you have to insert the end note if you want at the end of the document. So same thing here, footnote, click here, go to the references, and from the footnotes group you have to click this time insert end note. This is the end note, and here you can write down explanation at the bottom of the page. Same thing you can do at the end. Similarly, if you want to write down this explanatory, so here references tab, insert footnote, number 2 will appear, and here you can write down clarifying information. So see, you have learned how to insert the footnote, which appears at the bottom of the page, and notes, which appears at the end of the document. Suppose in this case you have set your foot end note at the bottom of your document, and now you have decided no, it should be at the bottom of the page instead of at the end of the document. So there is no need to delete it and do it again. I will show you how you can convert your end note into footnote. So again, this is the references tab. Open this footnote and endnote launcher button, and this is the endnote. Now here we have in the endnote, click on this convert all endnotes to footnote, okay, and then close. Then you will see it is here. Similarly, if see here you have two explanation at the bottom of the page, and now you are thinking that it should go at the end of the document. So again, go to the references tab, open this. Here this time you have in the footnote, convert all footnotes to the endnotes, and okay, and then close. Then you will see your footnotes are converted into endnotes. So in this lesson, you have learned how to insert the footnote and notes, what are the differences between them, how you can convert footnote into endnotes and endnotes into footnotes, what are the references mark, and what are the explanation, how you can write down explanation at the end of the page. If you still have any question, you can write down in the comment section. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, Saima Academy. Thanks for watching.